Hello, myself Amir Mughal, and I'm going to deliver presentation on blockchain for cloud storage security. These are some outline, and we'll discuss one by one. To the first part, that is abstract part. With the development of internet technology, the volume of data is increasing tremendously. Tackle with large-scale data, more and more applications choose to enlarge the storage capacity of user. Terminal with the help of cloud platform. Before storing data to an untrusted cloud server, some measures should be adopted to guarantee the data security. However, it is well known that security should not be neglected in existing cloud storage architecture. So we address the above problem by proposing a blockchain-based security for distributed cloud storage. Now comes to the second part, that is the introduction part, where I'm going to discuss how actually cloud storage is. As cloud storage is a kind of system with distributed data center that takes advantages of virtualization technology and provide interface for data storage. It also makes our data center be able to work together for conveniently sharing and accessing resources. Recently, cloud storage has received massive attraction in personal and business organization because it's convenient and efficient. Distributed storage permits clients to store their information on the web and thus get it to any place and whenever. That is the greatest favorable position. So in order to access application resources from anywhere at any time, users have to move their data into the cloud. Cloud provides benefits like flexibility, automatic software update, disaster tolerance, cost reduction, etc. for advantages, challenges, and key technology in different types of cloud storage. It is important to protect user privacy and data security because the data may leak whenever user store the data in the cloud. Meanwhile, the influence of cloud storage security is widely and there is an increasing public concern about user privacy. However, there still exists weakness for the existing cloud storage architecture such as centralized data storage that severely harms server physical security and the need for the trusted third party which are nightmares for the privacy of user data. So come to the conclusion is all data set in cloud is scrambled and cloud administrator are accessible under a scope of SLA covering information honestly and security. Now, blockchain in cloud storage. As we all know that the blockchain has revolutionized the internet. This new and ingenious technology allows blocks of data to be distributed across ledgers without any central administrating authority, but with the essential requirement that the data be validated by participants. This makes the data open and secure. Blockchain technology can be used to create advantage in cloud storage solution. As blockchain is the most ideal method for moving data from one location to another without stressing our bogus data being put away in the record, as that would fulfill the whole chain of a huge number of cases. As blockchain technology is one of the greatest invention of today, we would have heard about digital currency, cryptocurrency, or Bitcoin. These are possible because of blockchain technology. The blockchain technology is built using peer-to-peer network. Anyone can join the network and there is no central authority to manage it. It is operated by people called miners who lend their computing power to the network in order to solve complex algorithms. Actually, the conclusion part is every user holding the information has a key that can be utilized to get to the scrambled records. What more regardless of whether somebody can get to your file. It is a fractional document which is useless to individual accessing it. See in this very picture, we could store document hashes, record areas, achieve duplicate zone URL as opposed to record block in blockchain themselves. Now comes to the literature survey part, where there is a maximum number of paper that is related to the blockchain for cloud storage security. As most of the paper mostly focus on the data center and try to improve trust between the information server and information security. as most of the people deliver that the blockchain technology has provided the most popular product, that is Bitcoin, which is a type of cryptocurrency and function as a public ledger for all transaction happening on the network. In most of the paper, author resolved the problem of double spending, unauthorized spending, and thus increasing security. This can help to this some sort of information help us to remove the need of for an intermediary expert, since there has been a substantial increase in the number of cyber attacks recently. The blockchain technology helped to attract the varied audience. There is some surveys as well. Results are in most of the most of the paper in which their results are more proficient and secure by some broad investigation. And now the outcome literature outcome part, where some whole conclusion, as most of the paper focus their implementation on platform service, software as a service, living infrastructure. As everybody knows that infrastructure is convenient part of cloud storage security, but most of the paper this part is missing. Some other people also focus on the genetic algorithm by defining scheduling algorithm. Also some papers were theoretical based, meaning actual practical implementation was not done. So these are some outcomes comes to different papers. Now the motivation part. In the era of electronic connectivity, the possibility of protecting the data from disclosure, guarantee the authenticity of the data, and secure it from network-based attacks remain as a difficult task, as network security attains its popularity at its juncture. The principal objective of the network security is to afford security measures to preserve authenticity, integrity, and confidentiality of the data when transferred through the network. In literature, research introduced a lot of cryptographic algorithms using blockchain with various types of key generation, in each with its own pros and cons. Matrix-based key generation was examined, in which the result show that cipher formed resist against cryptanalytical attacks. The first and the foremost requirement is to verify the data, the type of data which is to transfer, the type of encryption mechanism applied for the encipherment of the data, and the chance of attack. Actually, this most of the constraints are propelled to create and convey a cryptographic component as security administration. There will be offered as an application model by cloud specialist organization which oppose that danger and vulnerabilities. These limitations are motivated to develop and deploy a cryptographic mechanism as security service, that is to be offered as an application model by the cloud service provider which resists these threats and vulnerabilities. Now the proposed model, in which there are four sections: the cloud user layer, cloud automation layer, how actually its monitor, plan, and analyze it. In blockchain management layer, where in this section there is 4 parts: open, shared ledger, consensus, shared content, and cryptography. These all are encrypted. They are in the encrypted form. And last one is the blockchain cloud storage. As decentralization in any case has figured out how to crawl into each part of life possible, be it account, gracefully change the board, medical services, figuring and so forth. Blockchain has made ready for quicker, increasingly effective, and progressive, reliable framework. Essential impact of the blockchain blast have been felt in the account and the figuring segment, with digital forms of money like Bitcoin being a significant recipient. And the region where the highlight of blockchain can be used as a distributed storage administration. With the expansion of a space required, it has gotten important to reform and advance in the field of cloud administration. Blockchain for cloud service give us a stage to assemble better stockpiling administration and to make a quicker trust-share world. So the blockchain is a public ledger. The data is verified and encrypted using innovative cryptographic technology. In this manner, the information or data is less likely to be attacked or altered without authorization. Also, blockchain will remove the requirement of the third party. Uh, Now the reference part. This is all we have in this very presentation. I hope you understand, and thank you.